Hi everybody, Lisa here. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I've never really done this before. I am going to be participating in a challenge, and it's for the Facebook group Acrylic Paint Pouring, which I'm a member of, and I'm also a moderator in that group. And the challenge is to create a dirty pour using the three primary colors, red, blue, and yellow, leaving negative space in the pour. And you're allowed to use either black or white as your negative color. So I've chosen to use black. I've already put it on my canvas, so all I need to do is make my cup. I've got the cups ready with paint in them already, and I've added Spot On treadmill lubricant so that we can get some cells going in these. I'm going to stir just a few stirs in each one of these. You don't want to stir it up too much because then the silicone is going to be too mixed into the paint and you won't get your cells. So just a couple stirs. And I kind of like to put the silicone in a few minutes ahead of time and let it sit on top before I stir it. I'm not using much red in my cup because I'm really not a fan of red. So I'm going to be using more yellow and blue. And since the goal is to have negative space in the painting, I don't have to use a whole lot of paint. Oh, before I start, I want to show you guys a little something. I have my little Bob Ross here to give me some inspiration. Isn't he cute? So we'll set Bob over there. Okay, I have my cup ready. I'm going to do a couple little stirs. And for a dirty cup pour, you just pour it right out of the cup, like so. You never know what you're going to get. Okay, so that kind of looks like a tree ring pour to me. I'm going to torch it. Torching it pops any air bubbles, and it also brings the silicone up to create cells. I do see some cells forming. Now I just want to figure out how I'm going to pour so that I can leave some negative space on the canvas. Really too thrilled with this. I kind of don't like these rings, so I'm going to scrape them off. Scraping them off in the hopes that I'm going to have some cells come up. Okay, well, it looks like I met the challenge. I used the primary colors red, blue, and yellow to create a dirty pour painting leaving negative space. I am, not really thrilled with this painting, but I did meet all the criteria, so there you have it. I'd like to thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe and don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And stay tuned for close-ups. I'll see you next time. Bye.